How to fix installation error code 1309 on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix installation error code 1309 on Windows 10. 1. Scan your system using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 2. For Autodesk users, try 2.1. Locate your Autodesk app installation folder, such as C:\program files /Autodesk/. Enable full control for the system account. 2.2 Try installing your program into a different folder or disk. 2.3. Download the complete installation package of your Autodesk software via Autodesk Virtual Agent. 3. For application developers. Review the following questions. Have you looked in the location to see if the file is there or not? Have you looked in the source files for the application to see if the file is there? Have you looked on the DPS to see if the file is there, using DP Content Explorer? Moreover, if you download the file from the internet, did you unblock it before deploying it?